Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set all Facebook photos to only me. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's open up the Facebook app. Tap on the menu icon at the top right here. Scroll down and go to settings. And here you can see privacy checkup. So guys, this is how you can private all of your photos and individual photos. So hope you guys understand and like my videos. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.